Geico total loss features, strengths, weaknesses. When Geico declares your vehicle a total loss, understanding their process is crucial. Geico's total loss settlement hinges on the actual cash value, ACV, of your vehicle right before the accident. This is not what you paid for it, but what a comparable vehicle would sell for in your area. Key features of their process involve appraisal, negotiation, and settlement. Geico uses a third-party vendor, often CCC Information Services or Mitchell, to determine the ACV, considering mileage, condition, and local market data. You will receive a report detailing comparable vehicles, or comps. A critical feature is your right to dispute this valuation. Geico's total loss process is best suited for individuals with relatively straightforward claims and vehicles in average condition. If you have extensive modifications, a rare vehicle, or suspect the initial offer is significantly undervalued, expert assistance might be needed. The strengths of Geico's system include its efficiency and generally quick processing times. Settlements are usually finalized within a couple of weeks after submitting necessary documentation. Geico's size and resources often allow for smoother communication, especially compared to smaller insurers. However, weaknesses exist. The reliance on third-party valuation services can lead to discrepancies, particularly if the comps are inaccurate or don't truly reflect your vehicle's condition. Negotiation can be challenging, and Geico's initial offers tend to be lower than what you might ultimately be entitled to. Furthermore, add-ons like sales tax and title fees can sometimes be overlooked in the initial offer and require proactive follow-up. Another common complaint involves difficulties in obtaining a complete and transparent explanation of the ACV calculation. It's crucial to scrutinize the comps used and be prepared to present your own evidence if you disagree. Don't hesitate to obtain independent appraisals or gather listings of comparable vehicles for sale in your area. Understanding your rights and being proactive are key to a fair settlement. In conclusion, while Geico offers a relatively efficient total loss process, its reliance on potentially flawed valuation methods and often lower initial offers necessitates careful review and negotiation. Knowing your vehicle's true value and being prepared to advocate for it is essential to maximizing your settlement.